Hello everybody. I want to talk about very important subject. It's the rainforest. The rainforest is located in South America. He is very important because it has lot of important plants and trees which scientists use to produce medicine. Many species of plants and animals are endangered because of human involvement is cutting down trees and deforestation for electricity, paper and other uses. We as students and humans in general should do our best to stop this from happening. We should raise money, make educational and documentary programs explaining about the dangers of deforestation and the importance of the rainforest. Thank you.